Guys, a very scary moment happened during the women's 1500-meter short track race at the 2016 Winter Olympic. Polish skater Camila Cellier was involved in a big crash. During the race, she collided with Kristen Santos, Grace Wold, and Arina Fotana. In the pile-up, a skate blade accidentally cut Cellier near her eye. It looked very shocking on live TV. Medical staff quickly came onto the ice. She was placed on a stretcher and taken for treatment. Many fans were very worried after seeing the accident. The good news is report said her eye was not permanently damaged. She needed stitches, but doctor said she is expected to recover. Short tracking skating is very fast and intense. When athletes skate so close together at high speed, crashes can happen very quickly, which are a safe and speedy recovery. At last, I clearly want to say that this video is only made for educational and informational purpose. People are talking this news is fake, but no, it is not a fake news. What you are hearing from people saying it is fake is just online chatter or confusion. But multiple reliable news outlets are reporting the incident as real from the 2016 Winter Olympic.